So we're Passage, and we're basically solving virtual events. We work with the experiential marketing world, which is a $128 billion industry, and we're solving a 10x issue for them because they don't have the margins to be able to really grow and scale. So they also gave me this clicker, so I have to multitask.
Yeah.
Let's see if it works.
There we go. So Passage is a virtual experience, but we are a virtual interactive layer on top of physical experiences. So this is engagement at scale. We're doing events all over the world. It's accessible anywhere, so this is the best of Unreal Engine 5 and high-end interactive computing, but through your phone. So one click, any device, mobile, desktop. You can get in instantly, so we're taking a highly complex graphical and interactive process and making it available very quickly to the 99% of mobile users and browser-based experiences. It's plug and play, so we get to connect to a lot of other really cool infrastructure. This is not a closed ecosystem or a walled garden. This is open, interactive layer that we get to plug into a lot of really cool things.
And speaking of open, we're plugged directly into Akash, which is why they invited us here. We've been fans of Akash from the beginning, mostly because we saw right away that they could solve one of the most difficult challenges, which is the cost of GPU. Using Akash, we're able to reduce our cost by 70%, which is pretty amazing. Pretty amazing, right? Yeah? Absolutely. Yeah.
So our background, we came into virtual experiences from real-world experiences. Spicy. We came into virtual experiences from real-world experiences and doing events with Warner Brothers, Dallas Cowboys, a bunch of large businesses in the experiential event market, doing launches for films, $10 million experiences, which are high budget and low margin experiences. We took that model of working with these teams and helped them to integrate a virtual layer, which is Passage, and brought through 250,000 users at close to 1% of the cost across these experiences. For Capitol Records, Amazon, Scooter Braun, and American Girl were our first 4 kind of test case pre-alpha. And it was 1% of the cost, but 2 to 10 times the margin on those experiences. So it's an area that has a lot of optimization that's doing high budget but low margin.
Yeah, just to point in on that, the average cost per user for these events is like $100 to $300 per person. But the agency who we're solving this problem for, they're only able to take home, roughly 5% of that. So with what we're doing, we're able to give them 50% margins, which is pretty much unheard of in this industry. So we're going to give you a little...
Can we click this video?
Oh, no.
Go ahead, just talk.
Yeah, so we're going to take you guys into what a Passage experience looks like, and then at the end, we'll actually invite you guys to hop into a live Passage experience right now. So one of the things that you're seeing right here, and then if we could get the play, that'd be awesome. One of the things you're seeing right here is this is an Unreal Engine build being delivered directly to the browser. So this takes no processing power for the user on their hardware. This is accessible on mobile, this is accessible on any device, and it loads instantly. And then one of the things that we've done is a lot of these experiences, they are B2B or B2C, and a lot of times, especially in the B2B world, which is where a lot of the high ticket events come from, you have an aversion to some of the tropes in the gaming world. So we have video layers where people are literally able to see face-to-face the people that they're interacting with. And then this can literally be any game world. So right now what you see here is a experience that we were building out for one of our agency clients. And it's a world that meets all of their brand needs. But there's been plenty of people in the experiential space that have wanted different types of experiences like full games present in this space.
Yeah.
We might not be able to get the play button, unless I have the ability to do it, but I don't think I do.
Let's keep moving.
Yeah, we'll just keep moving. It's going to be a mystery, and you just still have to jump in. But it was really cool. Basically, you just select any world you want from within the browser, schedule it like a calendar link. The event is live and active, and this creates crazy ease of use for the agencies that are using this. And then they're literally able to bring in any experience, like I was saying.
And we're launching these on Akash GPUs right now. So this is a complete Unreal Engine environment that's running on Akash, being streamed to the end user. So right now in closed beta, we have 80 teams who are paying for the platform, who have access to Akash Compute to launch these worlds. We've done over 850 events through the closed beta with over 500 or 5,000 hours of usage, which is like something like 2,500 GPU hours for the platform. And we haven't launched publicly, so it's still in a closed beta. And we've been able to launch some really unique experiences with everyone from Web3 communities, like the NeoTokyo community, to large educational institutions like MIT, who are using this to extend their real-world experiences and connect to users all across the world. So for MIT's 2025 hackathon, we were able to launch a virtual version of the MIT campus on Passage, accessible to users all over the world.
So where we're kind of going with this at this point is we're building out our agency partnerships. We have thousands of agencies that run through our system every single week. And we're loading up some pretty amazing events. I mean, we've shown some of the past work that we've done. We've worked with Capitol Records, Amazon, American Girl, and these same agency partners have been with us on this journey for the last few years. And have really helped us build out what this experience is. So the future of Passage is really trying to revolutionize the way that they're solving key event problems and giving them the tool sets that they need to basically take what they're doing really, really well in the physical space. I mean, coming to a physical event like this should not be replaced. To be able to have this kind of experience, this is the human interaction that people need, and also that we're trying to deliver in a gamified way that allows this experience to get expanded beyond just who can show up today, right?
And be sweaty with us.
And be sweaty with us. I mean, that's probably the core memory from today. So right now we also have the seed round going where we're just looking to continue to build out the infrastructure and continue to grow the team.
Yeah, and onboard large enterprise clients into the platform.
All right, guys, so now's your chance. If you want to experience what a Passage world looks like, there's no email opt-in. This is literally direct into the platform. And this is what a lot of the agency partnerships that we're working with are able to do. Literally at their booth, they're able to load up into a Passage world, literally have like a QR code or a build out that's present there and bring people into a game experience. Now, I can't speak to the internet quality in this particular location, but once you guys get in there, you'll start to see certain people. Maybe you start to pause up. Oh. Boom. Yeah, line of sight. That might be important for QR codes. All right, and then Lex is also going to pop in there, and he's already in. Here, show the audience on your giant screen there. Boom. Okay, cool. So part of the experience as well is that you might have to wait in line, which is also part of the event experience. So save that link, jump in anytime. I think it's going to be open for the next hour or so. Play around. If you're waiting in the queue, you're going to get access to it as soon as somebody else jumps out. Yep, and this one in particular, we're running right now on Akash. Yep. Awesome. And then I have been told that I'm not allowed to go off script. And Amanda knows me very well, so things will get crazy. Awesome. All right, guys, we really appreciate you. Really appreciate the Akash team, Amanda, for inviting us. This is amazing. We love doing these workshops every single year. We hope to continue to grow Passage with the Akash team. And really thank you all for being here today.
Hit us up if you have questions, for sure.